this lecture, we will learn about the translational repeat command and circular repeat command. So before studying these commands, we need to go to geometry, snap, grid and node, and beam. Here snap, node and beam window will appear. In this we need to left click on create option, and here we need to select radial. As in this example, we will learn how to do the circular repeat also. So we can make a circular grid arrangement, and we can see here that this is the plane, that is XY plane, and here you can see that this is XZ plane. So here we can select it as plane as XZ and angle of plane as YY, that is vertical profile. And here there are various options, that is grid origin. If we want to the grid at origin point or anywhere else, then we can select it as 0, 0 and 0 if we want this point as origin. And start angle 0. Sweep, that is how much repetition it will take. Here we can select 360 only. Radius 1 as 0 and radius 2. Let us say if we want to model a circular tank of 6 meter diameter. So here we can select it as 3 meter. That is, if I am saying radius diameter as 6 meter, then its radius shall be 3 meter only. And base, number of repetition, and this is also a bay. Here we can study, left click on OK, and we need to switch on here this and switch off this. So here what I'm trying to say here is that left click on edit again. So here we can see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So this is the 8 number of bays along this profile, and total number of other bays are 10. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. That is the division along the perimeter of the circular grids. And if we want to repeat or if we want to increase them, that is C. So now the number of bays are 14, and similarly we can now the number of bays have been increased to 20. And if we want to change this distance also, that is, here you can see that the total radius is 3 meter. That is, from this point to this point the distance is 3 meter. And if we want to increase or decrease that, here you can see that now the number of bays are 6, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and this is the distance that is being shown here. That is, the radius of this circle is 0.5, this circle is 1 meter, this circle is 1.5. Similarly, the radius of this circle is 3 meter. And if we want to increase the radius also, let us say 6 meter, so this 3 will become to 6 and this 0.5 will be changed to 1. So here you can see that this is now 6 and this is changed to 1. So keeping the same dimensions here, now we have idealized a normal circular grid, and then we can left click on OK. And now we need to draw, suppose we want to do the FEM analysis of this circular tank. So what we need to do is that we need to model the plates. So before modeling the plates, what we need to do is that we can left click on add beam and left click on this option here, and left click here, and then again left click here. So by doing this, we have instructed the StatPro softwares that there are various, we need these nodes. And why we need these nodes? So that we can model a plate element. So press Shift plus N on your keyboard. So here you can see that the software has generated various nodes here also. So geometry, snap, grid, node and beams. So we come back to this view, and then we can left click on add 4 noded plates. So number 1 plate, number 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And here you can see that 4 noded plate is not possible here, as there are only 3 number of nodes. So what we need to do is that we need to go to geometry, add plate, and left click on triangle here. So we can add a triangular plate here also. And as we don't need the beams, so we can select all the beams here and then press delete on your keyboard and then just delete them. So press shift plus N again, and to see the number of plates we can press shift plus P on your keyboard. So these are the number of plates, that 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18 here. And after that, if we want to select the plates here, so we need to select the plates cursor here. And we have selected all the plates, and now we want to do the circular repetition of these plates. And here, as we can see that we have 20 number of bays, so we need to repeat this arrangement 20 times. So we can left click on circular repeat here. Axis of rotation shall be Y only, because we want to just imagine you are standing here along the Y axis. So while standing here, you want this whole arrangement to be circular repeated. So we can select the number of steps as 20. Through node, as you are standing here, so you need to left click here and then just left click on OK. So here we can see that we have correctly did the circular repetition of this plate arrangement. And one more thing I like to add here, that is, if we are doing the circular repetition in a wrong manner, for example, let us say we do the same thing again through this axis of rotation as Y, number of steps, let us say we select it as 19 and then left click on OK. So here you can see that if we are selecting 19, then there is a mild gap between these plates, that is press shift plus K on your keyboard to see that there are 2 number of nodes here. So it is an incorrect arrangement or an incorrect circular repetition. So undoing this effect and then selecting all the plates again to correct the circular repetition. Initially doing these type of things when you're first to the software may be confusing to you, especially this mirror option and translation and repeat and circular repeat option, but you need to practice to be more proficient in these commands. So now we have modeled let us say the foundation of this whole circular tank, and now let us say we want to make a tank from this point to this point only, that is from 5 meter. So now translation and repeat option will help us. How it will help us? Select these 2 nodes and then press translation and repeat. Let us say the height of the tank is 4 meter, and what we need to do is that we can press, let us say 0.5 default step spacing, and number of steps is 8. That is 8 into 0.5 is 4 meter. That is our desirable height of the tank, and global direction is Y. That is this direction. So left click on OK. And there's one mistake that we have done. We need to press the link steps also. That is default step spacing again as 0.5, number of steps as 8. Global direction as Y. So with this option, what we can easily do is that we can just model the plate elements here. Although link steps option was not a compulsion to do, but it becomes very easier for you to find this perfect alignment for modeling the plates. Link steps option just help us in like saving us lots and lots of time by automatically modeling the beams along all the nodes. So we select all the beams here, and now again what we need to do is that we need to select the plates cursor here, go to this view from +Z, and we need to again do the circular repetition. So what we need to do is that we need to go to circular repeat option axis of rotation is y, total angle is 360 and number of steps is 20. And through node origin, just imagine you are standing here, and we don't now need the link steps option as it is a plate, not a node. So now we can see that we have modeled a circular tank with foundation on the bottom. And one more thing I'd like to add here, that is when we need to go to general and property. Here we can see the thickness option. This thickness option is used to assign a plate element thickness. That is, let us say the wall of the tank is approximately 0.45 meter. So we select it as 0.45, and we need to select the plates cursor here, and we need to select all the plates of the tank. So here we can see that we have assigned the 450 mm thickness to all the walls, and let us say the thickness of the foundation is 0.75. So we enter 0.75 here, and material is concrete. Left click on close, go to this view from +Z option and select all the plates here. And when we need to see whether we have modeled it correctly or not, we need to go to 3D rendered view option. So here we can see that this is the foundation, that is 150 mm thickness, and this is the wall of the tank, that is 450 mm thickness. So with this option, we have studied how to do the translational repeat and how to do the circular repetition. See, most of the time, if we are modeling the tank foundations and tank walls, we need to do the finite element method analysis. So with that, we can easily check what are the stresses and what are the bending moment along both the x direction as well as along the y direction. So the purpose of this exercise was only to make you familiar to this translation repeat and circular repeat option. In the separate lecture, we will do the advanced analysis of this whole tank foundation and tank walls.